Parts of speech. The parts of speech are the classes into which all the words of the English language are categorized. There are in all 8 parts of speech in English language, and they are noun, verb, pronoun, adverbs, adjectives, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Now let's know about all the parts of speech one by one with their definition and examples. Starting with nouns. A noun is a naming word. It is the name of a person, an animal, any place, a thing, an idea, or a process. For example, doctor, elephant, India, house, etc. Identify the nouns in the sentences. I am going to school. In the sentence, the word school is the noun. It's the name of a place. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata and West Bengal are names of places, hence they are nouns. The boy kicked the ball. The boy and the ball, both the words are noun. Boy is the name of a person and ball is the name of a thing. Hence, both the words are noun. Verbs. A verb is a word that shows an action, a state, or a possession. For example, run, write, jump, dance, am, is, are, was, were, has, have, or had. Find out the verbs in the given sentences. I eat an apple every day. Here the action is eat. So eat is the verb here. Tim wrote a letter to his cousin. The word wrote here is the action, hence it is the verb. They drove to the park. The word drove is the action here, so it is the verb. All the actions present in the sentences are always verbs. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is always used in place of a noun. For example, I, me, he, she, his, her, they, and many more. Now let's see few sentences. I like to read books. In this sentence, the word I has been used in place of someone's name, in place of a noun. Tim wrote a letter to his cousin. Here Tim is the noun, but the word his is the pronoun. They drove to the park. In this sentence, the word they is used in place of names of people who drove to the park. So, the word they is pronoun here. Next are adverbs. An adverb is a part of speech that modifies or describes verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Adverbs usually answer questions like how, when, where, or to what extent. Let's see few sentences. She sings beautifully. Here the word beautifully describes how the girl sings. The sun shines brightly. Here the word brightly describes how the sun shines. He ran fast. The word fast here describes how did a person run. So the word fast here is the adverb. Now let's know about adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes the noun or a pronoun. We can also say that it modifies noun. For example, big, small, happy, sad, funny, tall, etc. Now let's see few sentences. The big elephant walked slowly. Here the word big has described how the elephant is. The clever student solved the sum. Here the word clever describes how the student is. The little girl was feeling sad. Here the word little describes how the girl is. If we can see in all the three sentences, the adjectives have described the nouns. Next are prepositions. Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or a pronoun and other words in a sentence. For example, in, on, under, near, behind, over, etc. Now let's see few sentences. I am standing beside my friend. In this sentence, the word beside shows the position. The bird flew over the tree. Here, the word over also shows the position of the birds. The books were on the table. Here, the word on shows the position of the books, that is, on the table. All these three words are showing the position. Hence, they are prepositions. Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that joins parts of a sentence, phrases, or other words together. For example, but, and, yet, besides, after, because, etc. And the sentences are, let me know if you need anything. In this sentence, the word if has joined both the things. Jack is completely unlike his father. In this sentence, the word unlike is the conjunction. She is honest, so everyone trusts her. In this word, the word so is the conjunction. Interjections. An interjection is a word or phrase that is grammatically independent from the words around it and mainly expresses a feeling rather than meaning. Now let's see few sentences. Hooray! We won the match. In this word, the word hooray is the interjection. Wow! What a beautiful house. Wow here is the interjection. Ouch! That really hurt badly. In this sentence, the word ouch here is the interjection. So these were the 8 parts of speech. I hope that you understood well. So if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.